Hello friends, welcome to the Programming Line channel. In today's video let's explore about how to get job in Microsoft. Disclaimer, the video is the collection of information from various website sources. Build a proper strategic plan and do acceptable research if you are applying for a job in any foreign country. Whether you are wondering how to get a job at Microsoft or at any other premier company, the process is more or less the same. If you are fresh from graduate school, you are bound to think that the process is a cakewalk. The irony is that the process is equally tough and brittle and one that would test you to the very best of your abilities. And that's why you may want to check out the following tips before going to the interview. The first one is do your research. This applies equally across all vectors and industries and does not apply to Microsoft alone. It is essential to check out a company's background. And in this case, Microsoft. You may want to learn about its humble beginnings and how they have managed to hold onto the premier pole position. During all this time, you definitely want to learn more about the company, its organization, as well as try to understand your own aspirations and why you feel you want to be part of the company. This should enable you to understand more about the company and why you feel the urge to be part of the solution called Microsoft. And that's why you need to do the research when learning how to get a job in Microsoft. The second one is to review, learn, and know the core competencies. You are planning to attend an interview at Microsoft. The least that you can do is to prep for competency based questions. In fact, you can count on the company firing some at you. During the interview, it is important that you understand the core competencies at Microsoft and make it a part of your CV as well. Here are some of the top core competencies at Microsoft. The first one is collaboration. One of the core competencies is communicating effectively with your own team and across various other teams as well. The second one is target results. One of the key competencies of Microsoft is the ability to drive results. It is essential that you drive for results and do all you can to achieve the same in no time at all. The third one is adapt. Another core competency is the ability to adapt. It is essential that both you and your team have the ability to adapt to unknown contingencies, unknown situations, and to adapt to the same. These are some of the core competencies at Microsoft and one that you would be expected to excel in. Learn more about our culture. Since you are planning to join the company, it is essential that you learn all you can about Microsoft's work culture and one that can enable you to fit right in. During the interview, since the D-Day is already here, it goes without saying that you need to relax and just be yourself. There is no point in freaking out and just dress casual and be your normal self. And you do not have to dress special just for the interview. Demonstrate your thinking and curiosity. You may want to demonstrate your thinking process and let others know how you managed to solve a particular problem. When asked to solve a problem, question the other side, ask relevant queries, and one that enables you to demonstrate your thinking process quite clearly. Be specific. It is recommended that you use the STAR model while answering queries or questions. One of the reasons is that it enables you to display your creative process and how you had arrived at the solution in the first place. Number 1 situation. Number 2 task. Number 3 action. Number 4 result. Number 5 reflection. With this, you should be prepared to ace the interview on your own. Visit our blog to know more details and the references available in our blog will be helpful in making your research process easier. Thank you for watching this video. Like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more videos.